Tonight, mostly clear, southeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Let's go to tomorrow. Heading out the door, a lot like today. Starts out warm and humid, 82 degrees by 8 a.m. and then 93 by noon, 96 by 3 o'clock. Southeast winds and sunshine will work together to make it a very valley day out there. And those southeast winds will gust up around 30 at times, so we'll call that just a little bit breezy. 94 for you, Brownsville, tomorrow. 84 South Padre Island, but 99, 98-ish right there for you and across Hidalgo County. Looking at 97, 96 on in through the Mid-Valley tomorrow. But you throw that humidity in there, and it's not horrible humidity, but it's certainly noticeable. You've got it feeling like 105, 104 around Edinburgh and McAllen, but 105 at Brownsville. That's what I love about the humidity. It makes everybody, it puts everybody in the same basket, because how it makes 90 feel just as hot as 95 if you have just the right amount of humidity. And here you can see just about everybody's going to have a nice dose of that humidity tomorrow. Now, the next weather maker is a string of rainy days in the forecast starting on Thursday. Tropical moisture and a bunch of it. Upper level low pressure acting as a trigger or driver, and that leaves us with rain possible for days and a few thunderstorms nestled in there. The rain should be light most of the time, but there will be pockets of heavy rain, and we expect the thunderstorms to remain on the moderate side. But, one or two things can always get away from us in the short term. On each day, we'll have to, give you the day's forecast for the next day and say, okay, maybe we're going to adjust it a little bit, tweak it a little bit here or there, but overall, a nip and tuck can be expected. But for my money, we're talking about scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms possible tomorrow, Thursday, with a 50% chance for rain, running into Friday, an even better chance running on through really Friday into Friday evening, a 70% chance for rain and a few thunderstorms there. And it doesn't matter what part of the valley you're in. Everybody's going to get a piece of this. We may have some more substantial rain pile up in the lower valley over the course of many days, but still, everybody's got a shot. Look at the days. I mean, out of all these days, anybody, even a blind squirrel finds a nut. And indeed, that's the case here. Even the rain's got to fall on you somewhere in all of this opportunity running on through early next week. The official forecast for how much rain might fall is anywhere from 1/10 of an inch in the upper valley to 1/4 of an inch, that's more, in the lower valley. Over 7 days, 6 days of rain? I don't believe in that. I'm saying that we're going to see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches in the upper valley to mid-valley, McAllen to Raymondville, San Benito to Weslaco, and then maybe 3 to 4 inches in the lower valley, Los Fresnos, Brownsville, Port Isabel, and the such. So I think over the course of that many-day string, we'll see a little more substantial rain. Speaking of substantial rain, look at the years so far. Harlingen already seeing, so far this year, almost its yearly total. And you can see we're well ahead, anywhere from 5 inches to almost 14 inches across the valley for the years so far. Do we need the rain? Couldn't wait, that's for sure. And temperatures are going to be in the low 90s stretch this weekend, probably 90 apiece for Saturday and Sunday, but right around there. Tropical weather, there's still a lot of dust out there, and our air quality will be diminished for the next week or so as a result. But really, that dust is helping to keep things tamped down. No development is expected in the next 7 days across the valley. But indeed, we are going to see that lower air quality be an issue because the dust continues to run off Africa across the Atlantic and the Caribbean and the Gulf, heading our way. And so that is what's making your throat sore, eyes watery, and also tamping down the chance for hurricanes or tropical storms. The 7-day forecast runs you through with that opportunity each and every day. Again, it's kind of a regional thing with the added tropical moisture piling up and the upper level low pressure helping to trigger it off. So that's where we stand. Your weekend plans, you may have to dodge a shower or two, but I think Sunday's your best opportunity to get something done outdoors.
Yeah, make Friday a movie night. Why not?
Good idea.
70% chance.